Hey guys, welcome back to our channel DC Teach Me How. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to set up your USB drive as a bootable drive to install a Windows operating system. All you'll need is a few simple things. A USB drive at least 4 GB in capacity. You'll also need a Windows DVD, CD, or ISO image file of your copy of Windows. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, insert your select USB drive into your computer, then open an elevated command prompt. So you just type CMD into the search bar, then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Type diskpart, that will hold for a second. Now we have opened up the partitioning software within Windows. Step 3. Type list disk. Then we want to select disk number 4, which is our USB drive. Your number may be different based on the amount of drives inside your computer, so you select the one that has the same capacity as your USB drive. If we select disk 0 and try to format that isn't going to work. That is our boot drive. That would be very, very bad. Alright, disk 4 is the selected disk. Step 4. We type clean and it will clean it. Then type in create partition primary. Step 5. Type active. Step 6. Type format fs equals FAT32 quick. So this is just formatting the drive in the format FAT32. So that's what we're using to install our Windows operating system. Step 7. Type active. Now we have format and active the drive. Now all we have to do is take all the files in the root directory of our DVD or image drive here and copy them into our USB drive. This step may take a while. Now you've successfully set up your ordinary USB drive as a new bootable drive for your selected Windows operating system. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment and share, and see you in the next one.